Hey, hello guys. In this tutorial, we have to see how to create an amazing dashboard using Tableau. A Tableau is nothing but a data visualization tool for converting data set into interactive dashboard and charts. It helps us to analyze the data visually and create a beautiful and shareable reports. Here we can see how to connect the file with this Tableau. These are all the file types: Excel, CSV, JSON and etc. Here I can choose the CSV file. Here I click the text file and click this CSV file and click on open. Here we can see the file type, file name with the file type. Now we can choose we can see the new worksheet on below and click this new worksheet icon. Here the new sheet is created, and the sidebar you can see all the columns present inside the dataset. Yeah, these these are all the things. These are all the things which are in the qualitative data, which means these are all categorical format, and these are all the data which is quantitative, which means numeric format, which is continuous or discrete. Yeah, now I can view the average salary of male and female. Now I can see the gender. Here the male and female are present. I click and drag and drop inside the column, and I know the average salary details. So I click this salary and drag and drop inside the rows, which means the qualitative data is present inside the columns and quantitative data is present inside the row. In simple word, the categorical data is present inside the columns, and numerical, which means both discrete or continuous data, which is present inside the rows. Now I can click this salary. I don't want this sum. I know only average. So we can click on measure, and here we can see all the details: sum, average, median, count, minimum, maximum, percentile, all details. Now we want average, so click on average. So here we can see the average detail of both male and female. So the average male salary is more than the average salary of female. Here the detail is present inside the tooltip. How can I view without the tooltip? I can directly visible the detail. Here we can see the label, and click on label. We can see show mark labels and check it out. Now we can see the average value of both gender. Right. Now I can create another one sheet and click on the new worksheet. The new worksheet is created. Now I want to see the average marks of scored in HSE, which means in +2. Here I click the HSE state board, which is qualitative data. So put inside the column. Now I want to see the mark. So the HSC pass mark is present here. I click and drag and drop inside the row. Here it is also in some format. Now what we do, click on measure and click on average. Now we get the average salary of arts, commerce and science. Right. Here one thing you can see. These are all the charts, active charts present. Something is hidden, which means for this matrix, these charts are active. These charts only, we can use these charts only. Here we can click on this chart. You can see commerce, arts, science. And here we can see double chart. We can see in this format. And circle we can see in this format. Here I can choose this format. Yeah. Right. Now I can create another one chart. So click on this worksheet. Here I want to see the average salary. Salary of both gender. Gender with the specialization. And also in HSC. Here now I change the sum to average. Yeah. I choose this chart. It is very clear. Yeah. I choose gender, specialization and HSC, qualitative data, and choose the salary as quantitative data. Here marketing with finance and marketing and HR is present inside the specialization. So here I hover on it. Now we can see the gender female who studied the arts in HSC with specialization of market and finance, who get the average salary of 1,76,500 rupees. Right. Now I choose here, I hover on here. Yeah, right now the female person who study this, who choose this science as HSC subject with specialization of market and finance, who get the salary of 2,60,600 rupees. Now we can see for male. The male person who chooses science with the specialization in market and finance, who get the average salary of 2,62,000. Here the male person who chooses the science with the specialization of market and HR, who get the average salary of 1,55,000. Here we can we can see the variation, right? And also you can view the salary for specific specialization and also for HSE for each subject: commerce, science, and arts, right? Here the male person would choose the arts a specialization of market HR, get the average salary of 0. It is very lowest average, right? Simple, guys. You can now we can create a sheet. Now we want all the 3 sheets in a single dashboard. So here you can see the new dashboard. Click on this dashboard icon. Here a new dashboard is open. Here you can see our charts, sheet 4 and sheet 5 and sheet 6, and drag and drop all the 3 sheets inside the dashboard, right? And click the 5 and drag here, right? And click and drag here, right? Now I shrink this one. Yeah, here all the details, all the 3 sheets now present inside the dashboard. Now I want to change the sheet name, right? So I choose the sheet number 4. I click on this here. Which name you should select? Yeah, average salary of male and female. We select it and click on bold and click OK, right? Now we made a change here. Now we click on dashboard. You can see we make a change in the sheet will reflect in the dashboard, because we can drag and drop all the 3 sheets into the dashboard. So whenever we make a changes inside the sheet, the changes reflect in the dashboard. Okay, right. Thank you, guys. Shall meet in this next tutorial.